Hi guys, today I want to show you how to take off Color Street mayonnaise. As you can see, this definitely needs it. I've got two chips going and it makes me want to pick them off. So I'm going to remove it with Mineral Fusion. It's vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, artificial color-free, hypoallergenic. Everything about this is magic because it just takes this off. I put it in a little dollar store pump and I'm going to be using some of these. And what you do, take a round. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way. Cut it into quarters. And I'm going to use my nail clips. There goes one. Nail clips. Take it. Take the pump or pour, soak your cotton pad. Put it on your nail. Clip it. That's it. I'm going to do all the fingers. Wait 5 minutes. Hold on. Now I wait 5 minutes. Time to take them off. Remove the clip. Press down to slide it off so you're wiping the fingernail too. Gone. That's it. Oh, that was creepy. Yes, I'm using a filter. There's a little bit of residue, so I'm going to wipe it a little bit, but way better than rubbing. So I'm going to take off the rest of these and do the other hand. Okay, last one. And I do want to add, if you did a double layer of sets, if you mixed mayonnaise it, give it more than 5 minutes because it has to penetrate through both layers. All gone. Nail clips and Mineral Fusion oil. What's another tip? That's it, I think. I will get better at my videos, but I want to thank you for watching. I'm Jessie with Joyful Nails with Jessie, and that's your tip to remove nail polish like magic. Until next time, thanks for watching.